Hi there, Nat Nathan here from the Piccadilly Circus company. I'm back in the juggling studios in Cornwall to bring you this very quick video, 3 clubs for 3 ball jugglers. First, you need to get familiar with throwing a single spin with your club. Try it also in your weaker hand. So the next stage here is to throw the club from your preferred hand into your weaker hand and back again using the single spin. Remember, you're always aiming to catch the club at the top of the handle and not towards the end. Also, try and avoid stretching your arms out in front of you. The pattern with clubs sits in much the same position as the pattern with balls, quite close to your body. The next stage is to feed the club into your normal 3-ball cascade. So before throwing the 3-club cascade at the end, you'll need to know how to launch the clubs. Hold 2 clubs in your preferred hand. You'll see that one naturally will sit underneath the other. You're going to throw the one at the bottom first, and the one that sits on the top is the club that you throw third. So this will be the first club to throw, this will be the 3rd club that you throw. You'll need to practice your launches. So here we are, the final stage, the 3-club cascade. Remember, you're always aiming for the middle of the club. Don't stretch your arms too far in front of you. Happy juggling. I'll see you again very soon.